In the previous session, I discussed the problems related to modulus and amplitude of a complex number, right? Today, same problems. Suppose if the question is like this, find the modulus. Please wait for a while. My stylus is not working. Wait, please. Yeah, it's okay now. Find the modulus and amplitude. Write down of the first problem 1, second problem -1, third problem I, fourth problem -I. Then how to do? Find the modulus and amplitude of, in the previous problems, that means on Saturday we discussed 1 plus I, 1 minus I, -1 plus I belongs to the fourth quadrant. 4 problems I discussed which belongs to the 4 quadrants. But today, if the problem is like this, how to do? So I am giving the solutions. These are important. These 4 are important. All can do those 4. Okay. Z, you can write this one as 1 plus I into 0. Okay. Which is equal to 1 comma 0. Am I right? Now, mod Z is equal to root of x square plus y square, which is equals to 1. To find out amplitude of Z, okay, if you go through the formula, you won't get it. Okay, so just go through the concept. What is the concept, sir? Z lies in which quadrant? Z is a complex number 1 comma 0. X value 1, y value 0. So this is Z. Okay. What is the concerned angle? What is the concerned angle? 0 degrees. Okay. So theta is equal to 0 degrees. So which is nothing but amp Z is equal to 0. Okay, it's over. Now let me go to the next problem. He has given you -1 comma I. Okay, observe this. Let us consider Z is equals to -1 comma 0. Okay, mod Z value is equal to root of -1 square is 1 and obviously 0. And where the point will be is the question, right? Now, observe the point. X value -1, okay, x value -1, this one, okay, y value 0. So the point will be here. If the point is here, what is the concerned angle? See here, this is a straight angle. Am I right? So theta is equals to 180 degrees, which is equals to pi radians. Therefore, you can write amp Z is equals to pi radians. Have understood now? No. Now let me consider z is equals to 0, comma 1. Okay. Mod z is equals to root 1 value is equal to 1. Okay. Now x value is 0. X value is 0. Y value will be 1. So y axis now. So this is z. Then you can easily say the angle from here to here will be 90 degrees. Am I right? Theta is equal to 90 degrees, which is equals to pi by 2 radians. Therefore, amplitude of z is equals to pi by 2. Now, the next problem it is, he asked you to find out minus I. Okay, so let us consider z is equals to 0, comma minus 1, right? Mod z value is equals to root of 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, amplitude of z he asked you to find. So according to the diagram, we can say 0, comma minus 1 will be on negative y-axis, right? So how could you take the value of here? It is theta is equals to, it is of 270 degrees, see, like this, right? Theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. Or if he wants to make it negative angle, you can write it as minus pi by 2 radians. Understood? So these are the 4 problems which are important. Copy this one. Copy these 4. I hope you have copied this right. So next, let me go to the next one. Okay, let us do some more problems related to this point. Now, how to find out the square root of a complex number? Okay, for that one, generally we are having so it is lengthy process to find out, but I will tell you the shortcut method to find out that square root of a complex number. So write down this heading: square root of a complex number. Okay. Now, root of a plus ib is equals to if root of a plus ib is equals to x plus iy, then x is equal to plus or minus square root of root a square plus b square by 2. This is plus here. Plus a is outside of it. Okay. Y is equal to plus or minus root of a square plus b square under root minus a by 2. Copy this one. I am repeating this. X is equal to root over root of a square plus b square plus a is outside by 2. Y is equal to plus or minus root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. So let us do one problem related to this. Find the square root of, suppose. Now let me give another formula also. If minus comes, what happens, sir? So take down another one. Suppose root of a minus ib also. Square root of a minus ib also, you just take down root of. Suppose if okay, if root of a minus ib is equal to x minus iy. Okay, instead of x, you are going to get same, but instead of that plus, you are going to get minus here. Okay, so x is equals to root of a square plus b square square root of a square plus b square plus a by 2, and y value is equals to square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. But here you are going to get minus. Instead of plus, you are going to get minus. Here it is x plus iy, here it is x minus iy. That's all. So take down one problem related to this. Find the square root of find the square root of 7 minus 24i. 7 minus 24i. Yeah, you can do it easily. Means this is in the form of x minus iy na. So you just consider x is equals to root of, okay, x square a square plus b square under root minus plus a by 2. Okay. Similarly, you just go through the y value. Y is equals to root over 7 square plus 24 square plus minus 7 by 2. Simplify this, you are going to get the answer for that. X is equals to root of 49 plus 49 plus 576 by 2 plus 7. Y is equals to square root of 49 plus 576 minus 7 by 2. Simplify this. 625. That means I am going to get x is equal to root 625 is equal to 25. 25 plus 7. Root of 25 plus 7. It is 32 by 2, which is equal to root 16, which is equals to 4. And y value is equal to square root of 32. You are going to get 32 minus 7, which is equals to 25 by 2. Okay. No, I'm sorry. This is 576 plus 49 under root 625. 25 minus 7 you should do. 25 minus 7 is equals to 18 by 2 under root 9, which is equals to root 9. Root 9 value is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of, here itself I am writing root of 7 minus 24i is equals to 4 minus 3i. Copy this one, plus or minus. This is the way how to find out the value of root of a complex number. Copy this one. Yeah. So let me go to the problems. These are the concept of complex numbers. Okay. Now you got all. Of course, one concept is there called cube roots of unity. 1 omega square. Now, of course, I am going to discuss that one also. Write down. This is the last concept, cube roots of unity. Last concept in complex numbers. After this, let us do problems in complex numbers. Okay. This is the concept. What are called cube roots of unity? In your first PU, you got 1 comma omega square. First of all, just observe 1 omega square are called cube roots of unity. Sum of cube roots of unity is equals to 0. Wherever you got, even in our determinants also we have done it so many. 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square value is equals to 0. Product of cube roots of unity is equal to 1, which implies omega cube is equals to 1. Okay, how you got cube root of unity is equal to 1 omega square. Okay, now observe. What is called cube root of unity is nothing but 1. 1 power 1 by 3 value you don't know. So you consider this one as x. Cubing on both sides, we are going to get x cube is equals to 1, right? Now x cube minus 1 is equals to 0, right? So x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0, right? Now x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Now x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If I apply the formula, minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 you are going to get, right? So 1 is equal, the roots are 1 comma omega is nothing but minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, omega square minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. These are the cube roots of unity. Copy this one or take the screenshot of this. Now one student has raised the hand. Nobody else? Yeah, okay. Copy this one or take the screenshot of the summer. Okay. I hope you have copied it. So let me go to the next page. Now the problems on complex numbers. Okay. Find the multiplicative inverse of, write down, multiplicative inverse of 1 plus I by 1 minus I. Generally, to write the multiplicative inverse, okay, you should write the formula of that one. That means you should know the formula of multiplicative inverse. If z is equal to x plus iy is any complex number, then the multiplicative inverse is called 1 by z. Okay, that means 1 plus 1 by x plus iy. So first of all, you should know how to simplify this one. You take the conjugate of the denominator 1 plus I by 1 plus I. What is the numerator? A square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab by a square minus b square value is equals to 2. So 1 minus 1 plus 2i by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 2i by 2 value is equals to I. So you can simplify that. That means z is equals to, after simplification you can write 1 plus I by 1 minus I as I. I am repeating this step. Z, you consider this one as Z is equal to this. I took the conjugate of the denominator 1 plus I, and I multiplied and divided by 1 plus I. So I got the numerator as a plus b whole square formula. A square, I square value is minus 1 plus 2I. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, and you are going to get, okay, and you are going to get 2I by I is 2I by 2 is equals to I. Now you got z is equals to I is a complex number, which you can write this one as 0 plus I. Therefore, z dash is equal to 0 minus I, x minus iy by x square plus y square. X square means 0 square plus 1 square. You can write, if you want, x minus iy by x square plus y square. This is a shortcut. Okay, which is nothing but minus I is the answer. Take down. And second problem. The value of 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power 4n. Already you got the simplification. That's why I have given you same model problem. Now I wrote it. Observe, the value of 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power 4n is equals to. Now itself, we simplified the value of 1 plus I by 1 minus I, and we got I, right? So I can write z is equal to I, where it can be written as 0 plus I also. But I want the value of I power 4n. I power 4n value, whatever may be the n value, the I power multiples of 4 is equal to 1. Why? How, sir? See here. I square value is equal to minus 1. I power 4 is equal to I square into I square. Minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Copy this one. Copy this one or take the screenshot of this. Now, okay. Now next page more. Now take on the next problem. I think now you can do the problems on multiplicative inverse. So let us go through the problems on conjugate. Find the conjugate of find the conjugate of 1 plus 2i into 2 minus 3i. Now, see actually what is the meaning of the word conjugate called? If z is equal to x plus iy is any complex number, then z bar is conjugate, which is equal to x minus iy. So first of all, you should consider this one as 1 plus 2i into 2 minus 3i, right? You just multiply this inside 2, okay, minus 3i plus 4i, okay, plus 6i minus 6i square. I square value is equal to minus 1. So it becomes minus of minus 6. 6 plus 2, 8 plus I you are going to get. Okay. So I want the conjugate of this one, right? So it should be z bar is equal to 8 minus I. Copy this one. Now same model problem. Find the conjugate of 2 minus 3i by 3 plus 4i. So same model, z is equal to 2 minus 3i by 3 plus 4i, but take the conjugate of this and multiply and divide by 3 minus 4i, where I am going to get. Where I am going to get. See this one, 6 minus 8i minus 9i. Minus 8i minus 9i plus 12i square by a plus ib into a minus a square minus b square means 9. Actually, it becomes minus 16, but I square is here, so it becomes plus 16. Okay. So here in the place of I square, if I substitute minus 1, 6 minus 1 becomes 6 minus 1 because 6 minus 12 becomes minus 6. Okay. Minus 17i by 25 you got. Where this is z. I want z bar is equal to minus 6 plus 17i by 25. Take down. One I have given multiplication, another one I give division. Okay. Tomorrow we can see some more problems, and I am repeating this weekend syllabus. I am writing here. Today evening you are going to get CET paper. Actually, it was yesterday evening. Okay, yesterday 2 to 5. Okay, but unfortunately they have not sent you online, so they missed that CET paper. They sent only NEET paper. So today you are going to write that CET, and next week syllabus itself I am writing here. Next week syllabus. Complex numbers, quadratic equations. Complex numbers come on quadratic equations. That means totally one chapter in your first PU. Okay. These quadratic equations you got in your even in your 10th standard also, finding roots and all those things, right? After that, mathematical induction. Mathematical induction. This is very easy chapter. Through verification you can do. And afterwards, sequences and series, only AP series up to AP. So this is the next week syllabus. You just inform regarding mathematics. Okay, you can copy this one, and tomorrow we can see some more. Thank you. Have a nice day.